Thinking about the right thing to serve your favorite cocktails in can be a real pain in the glass. Don't sweat it though. We've got a couple options for you. Check them out. Welcome back to the Vernon's YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about glassware and getting your bar set up with just some of the basics. It's really easy to feel a little overwhelmed about what glassware to use at home if you're having a dinner party or having friends over for cocktails. You don't want to look like a clown serving a drink in the wrong glass, but really it's all subjective. Don't stress about it. It's all a matter of taste and what elevates the experience for you. A couple of the basics that are really good to have on hand is to get a Collins or a highball glass, a nice coupe or a cocktail glass, and a little rocks glass. These are all very versatile. You can do so many different cocktails in these, anything from like a martini to like shots in an old fashioned, a highball or a painkiller #2 in there. We'll go ahead and get started. We're gonna do a margarita. So we're gonna get some lime juice on the lip of this glass here so that we can get salt. We'll get our El Jimador tequila. We're gonna do 2 ounces. ½ ounce of the Contro. We're gonna do 1 ounce of agave and 1 ounce of lime juice. Put a wedge of lime on there. You're good to go. Next up in our little creative little cocktail glass here, we're gonna make a cosmopolitan. So we're gonna do 2 ounces of Tito's vodka. Gonna do a ½ ounce of Contro. Gonna do a bit of lime and just a hint of cranberry juice. And we'll strain that into our coupe. Okay, and next up, but definitely not the least, we have our dark and stormy, which is just 2 ounces of your favorite dark rum. You're gonna throw a little lime in there. This one we're gonna build in the glass. And then we're gonna top with your favorite brand of ginger beer. Today we're using Gosling's. And we'll fill that up to the top. And we're gonna top it liberally with Angostura bitters. And we'll garnish with a lime wheel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the link in the bio so that you can keep up on everything that we're doing here at Vernon's. And don't forget to click below and get your reservation tonight. Come and have one of these wonderful cocktails.